Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic. My topic is how to share, export and delete chat GPT conversation. How to get technical support for your Apple devices. Need help with a glitchy your iPhone, Mac or other Apple product. The company support app and website can lead you to the right resources, including how to contact Apple support. Need help with an iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Apple TV, Mac or other Apple product but not sure how to get support? No problem. Apple can show you the right path with its dedicated support app and website. You shall find tutorials on how to set up and use Apple devices, software services and features. Both the app and website can connect you with an Apple support representative, and if your technical trouble requires a trip to an Apple store, the app or website can help you set up an appointment. Let's check out the app first and then take a tour of the website. Download and install the App Spot app on your iPhone or iPad. Fire it up and tap the Get Started button on the intro screen. You can also share your location when using the app, which simplifies the process of finding a local Apple store if you need repairs or more personal assistance for your product. So guys, the Apple Sport app should automatically detect your Apple ID and display a list of all the registered Apple devices and services linked to your account. If you are having trouble with one of your registered devices, tap its entry in the list. The Apple Sport app shows you general troubleshooting topics related to your device. For example, tapping the entry for your iPhone delivers links to such topics and repairs and physical damage. Device performance, subscription and purchases, Apple Store shopping, password and security and update, backup and store. Update, backup and restore. Selecting your Apple TV brings up topics such as setup and configuration, music, movies and TV shows, and internet and streaming. And choosing an item such as AirPods leads to such topics as audio and sound. Lost. Lost or missing AirPods, power battery and charging pairing connectivity and physical or liquid damage. Before you proceed, you may want to check the warranty coverage for a broken or defective product to see whether you are still covered. To do this, one of the support pages for a specific product, tap the link under the name of the item for device details. The section for coverage info will tell you if the device is still under warranty or Apple Care. If you did not see the problematics product listed under your account on the main Get Spot page, sweep to the bottom of that page and tap More Products and Services. There you shall find all the major products and services and can choose the one you want. Select a general topic for a product to see descriptions of specific issues related to that topic. For example, under the power battery and charging topic for an Apple Watch are such technical issues as unable to power on, battery required service, charging tips or troubleshooting, expected shutdown or restart and display has blank screen or on backlight. If you track down the right product but cannot find the specific issues you are experiencing, you can try a couple of different steps. First, tap the More topic to see a general list of the features. Alternatively, tap the link for Tell us what's happening either at the specific product page or the main spot page. Type or speak a description of the problem. The app should then suggest spot articles you can check to try to narrow down the issue. You shall also find general articles about Apple products and features to learn more about them. Even when you are not having technical trouble, top a thumbnail for one of the items in the recommended section where you can watch a quick video tutorial or read a spot article. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.